Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is July 12th, 2025. And here are our top stories. AI and co-determination, AI and art protection, smart waste management, AI System 2, thinking. AI and co-determination. The German Bundesrat has called on the government to ensure that employee representation rights keep pace with modern work environments. This involves revising the Works Constitution Act to ensure that the role of the Works Council is robust in handling employee data, especially with the growing use of artificial intelligence and software-based systems. Furthermore, as flexible work arrangements like remote work and flexible hours become the norm, the Bundesrat emphasizes the importance of involving works councils in creating reliable internal data protection regulations. This modernization resolution, backed by Bremen, Brandenburg, Hamburg, Lower Saxony, North Rhine-Westphalia, and Saarland, was passed on Friday. AI and art protection. Lightshed, a novel method, is shaking up the world of creative protection by sidestepping existing defenses like Nightshade. Researchers have shown that current safeguards against unwanted AI training can be bypassed. This development is part of a continuous cat-and-mouse game between creatives and generative AI providers, often finding its way into courtrooms. Generative AI models, which create images, require extensive training on datasets. Critics argue these datasets frequently contain copyrighted material used without permission, worrying creatives about job security. Programs like Glaze and Nightshade emerged in 2023, designed to protect online art by poisoning it for AI training. However, Lightshed claims to negate these protections, making art available for training. According to researcher Hannah Furster, companies might have ways to neutralize these defenses, emphasizing the need for awareness. Lightshed excels in adaptability, applying learned techniques from one anti-AI tool to others without prior exposure. The Lightshed team urges creatives to recognize that current tools like Glaze aren't permanent solutions, suggesting more work is needed for effective protection. Smart waste management. Picture this: piles of waste lining the streets of Birmingham as refuse collectors go on strike, highlighting the fragility of an industry crucial for public health, yet heavily reliant on labor. Researchers Breno Nunes and Roberto Castro Alamino see this as an opportunity to transform waste management through technology. The Internet of Things and AI are at the forefront, allowing trash trucks to collect waste only where it's needed using smart bins equipped with ultrasonic sensors. These sensors measure fill levels and send data to a central system, optimizing collection routes, saving fuel, and reducing emissions. Technology goes beyond logistics. Automated trucks in the USA, Canada, and Sweden lift in empty containers with minimal human intervention. Startups like Clean Robotics in Pittsburgh use AI and camera systems for sorting waste at the point of disposal, boosting recycling rates. Robots in sorting facilities identify and separate materials, even detecting hazardous waste with precision. This digital shift brings challenges like high costs for smart bins and vehicles. And not all tech fits every environment. Automated trucks need space to maneuver, often unavailable in tight European streets. Automation changes job roles, requiring workers to transition to fleet managers or data analysts, underscoring the need for skill development. Ultimately, digital waste management is a visible element of the smart city concept, aiding urban planning and the shift to a circular economy. Solutions like underground pneumatic waste systems, already in use in places like Wembley, London, illustrate the diverse technological toolkit available. Far from a distant vision, smart waste management is a present reality paving the way for cleaner, more efficient, and sustainable cities. AI System 2 thinking. Introducing the energy-based transformer, a novel architecture designed to equip AI models with the ability to tackle problems analytically and progressively. Current AI models often mirror what experts liken to System 1 thinking, rapid, intuitive, and strong in recognizing patterns. However, they frequently falter on tasks demanding System 2 thinking, such as intricate logical reasoning or mathematics. Researchers from UVA, UIUC, Stanford, Harvard, and Amazon GenAI have developed a new approach where energy-based transformers, EBTs, Define thinking as an iterative optimization process. With EBTs, a model starts with a random solution, evaluates it, and refines it step by step, aiming to minimize an energy measure. This process allows the model to allocate more computational time to challenging problems. Comparatively, EBTs achieve a 35% higher scaling rate, utilizing data and computing resources more efficiently. However, training EBTs demands significantly more computing power, up to 6.6 times more than traditional transformers, posing a potential challenge for practical implementation. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.